Miss Jen,
Yeah.
you alright?
Yes, Radcliffe?
Brother, people come and people go. So that's life. Therefore, let's protect our legacy.
Although I know say Ashley want a mother figure in her life still, you know, brother. She can't be somebody with a pre-badness. You see me?
All of us got the friend.
Brother, I'm willing to reach out and try again. But if you say I hate that, then me have to just respect that. You see me?
It is. I'm going to say, life goes on.
Yes, brother. I've been a deed for Ashley since her mother transition, bro. I'm still gonna do it. You see it?
Really, let's do that, my bro. See him when I respect my move. See him when I look up to you. I respect you as a single father, bro.
I mean, Butcher, you have to know if you be real man in this, you know.
That is it. Real.
So what about you? Remember say if you make a reach out, you know.
Yeah, you know, so we take up before, brother. Leave guy, just change your mind, brother. I see.
John, no. Well, when the spirit tell you to do it, you will do it. Not true.
I see him, so I see it enough, and I don't force nothing. You see him?
Yeah, man, brother. You know how that feel, man, cause remember when I see him shoes.
One time I feel like a lean car still now, bro, but that's a holy thought, you know, man. You see me?
Power Butcher.
There, I'm ready, so what, man?
I miss Butcher. Sorry, I mean Morissa.
Hello, what it is?
You get it, brother?
Well, it's nice seeing you again. Butcher just there calling him, you know.
A true Butcher?
Well,
Yeah, what? Butcher, you know, so I have something to go deal with Penny Black. So me see you look more.
yeah, man, do you think?
Marissa, big up yourself. Yeah? Later.
Butcher, I can talk to you?
Father. So,
I have things to do in a Radcliffe. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Look here, food in the house, I'm pretty sure you can cook. Why you do this to me? You ask to stay in the house, I'ma make you stay. What more you want from me? Radcliffe, we not there no more. Please understand. What about last night? Remember I first you forced me? That nah happen again. Listen, I have things for God do. Me will see you when me reach home, sir.
Hey,
Sorry about that, phone. I have some business to take care of on the road. Yeah, so yeah.
Whisper, I'm ready.
See that strange?
No, I'm not see nothing strange. But me hear something strange.
Oh,
Yeah. Me a fall.